What's up, y'all? I know I'm dead ass wrong, but I'm taking these braids out after a month of having them in, y'all. Shout out to my Imani Beauty High Maintenance Elixir for the growth, because that was all I kept on my scalp with a little bit of water. So yeah, it's about that time, but I wanted to come and show you all how my scalp is looking and what condition it's in. And a lot of this is product buildup mixed with a little bit of dandruff, but I wanted to show you all how to properly take care of your scalp after you've been in a protective style for a while. I know your scalp can be itchy and sometimes shampoo is just not enough, so let's get into the ingredients for today's scalp detox. All right, first up, we got a bad bitch named aloe vera juice, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some bentonite clay, and some quasil powder. So in a mixing bowl, I'm honestly going to use the rest of my bentonite clay, literally like the last little bit, and a little bit of this quasil powder. I didn't use a lot. You don't need a lot because it does really saponify or like soap up really good, and it lathers really good. And honestly, I'm just going to throw in some apple cider vinegar and then a little bit of my aloe vera juice, because I just love how hydrating aloe vera juice can be to my hair. And I'm going to mix it really well. It's going to take you a minute to mix it up, but you want to get this nice, soft, you know, real creamy consistency. Okay, so you don't have to, but I'm just gonna spritz my scalp, because I'm really gonna be focusing this treatment solely on the scalp. Like, that's where I really feel like my hair is the most, you know, greasiest. A lot of the buildup is on my scalp, so that's where I'm going to be focusing this treatment. So let's get into some of the benefits. So apple cider vinegar, in its acidic nature, is known to balance out the scalp and the hair's pH because it is so acidic, and it can help to detoxify the scalp. It is also an antimicrobial, so it can help to fight fungus like dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis, and it can also gently exfoliate the scalp. So shout out to apple cider vinegar for being who they are, okay? Then we have aloe vera. As I mentioned, it is very hydrating, okay? I even use it just to like refresh my wash and goes. Like, I'll just spray straight aloe vera juice on my hair because it is so hydrating, and it can also calm itchy and inflamed scalp. You already know bentonite clay, you know, can help to remove and detoxify your scalp and hair, but also it can help to bring your curls back to life. So in the past, I've used bentonite clay after I've straightened my hair, just to really bring my scalp and my curls back to life. And then quasil powder, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it is a natural cleanser from the crushed leaves of the gob tree, y'all, that is native to East Africa, and it's known for its deep cleansing capabilities, and it naturally foams, and it has a really good slip. So I did apply a little bit of the quasil powder and aloe vera juice straight to my face because I wanted to do a little mask, and I actually got this quasil powder from a brand called Beauty of the Horn. It's a fellow black owned business. Y'all, please go and support. All right, so after letting the mask sit on my hair for about 20 minutes, I'm just going to rinse it out thoroughly with some warm water. So it's really imperative that before you go in with your shampoo and your other products, you really want to allow that water to like loosen up any buildup that you might have. But also, I'm allowing this water to loosen up the mask on my scalp. And look at my curls, y'all. They're just so bouncy, but also look at my scalp. All of that product buildup, all of that gunk, all of that itchiness, it's gone, okay? But that's not the end. We're not about to just jump straight into conditioner. We got a shampoo too. So I don't co-wash anymore at all. I always use a clarifying shampoo that happens to be sulfate free. And today I'm also going to be pairing it with my Imani Beauty scalp massager, y'all. These are unreleased. Y'all be getting unreleased content from me, okay? But I love these scalp massagers so much. They have 3 speeds. They are silicone, so the spikes on it are very gentle to the scalp, and it also vibrates. So it's going to be super relaxing to the scalp by also stimulating healthy hair growth and really removing any dirt or buildup on that scalp. All right, so let's get into my fresh and squeaky clean scalp. I did shampoo my hair twice. That is always a rule of thumb for me when I go in and I shampoo my hair, especially because I have all of that product buildup. You want to make sure that you shampoo twice. And now, honestly, my scalp is as good as new, okay? A healthy scalp is going to be healthy hair. Alrighty, it's deep conditioning time, and today I'm just going to be taking some of my Imani Beauty High Maintenance Elixir and my Aloe Beauty Bow Mint Deep Conditioning Treatment. Y'all, I love this deep conditioner. I love this oil together. They make a great combo. I really love adding my high maintenance elixir to my deep conditioner because it does have oils and herbs that are great for soothing inflammation, stimulating healthy hair growth, as well as sealing in moisture on your tresses. All right, so now we're going to be going in with our Q-redew hair steamer. And hair steaming while deep conditioning can really help to encourage the blood flow to circulate circulate healthy hair growth, as well as lifting up the cuticle and allowing that treatment and that deep conditioner to deeply penetrate into the hair shaft. I also love the Q-redew because it can really help to detangle your hair if you allow it to, while you're steaming it, which really, like, my hair feels so soft when I do this, y'all. Like, let's look at how my fingers are just gliding through my hair, y'all. Y'all see it? Y'all see the curls? Y'all see them? Okay, so y'all, this is my hair. My hair has been brought back to life after a protective style. You know, protective styles are supposed to be protective. Don't leave them in too long. Take care of your scalp before, during, and after you take your style out, as well as take care of your hair. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all later this week with another upload. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.